There are lots of types of seeds out there, and depending on which one that you plant, you may or may not be able to save the seeds from your garden vegetables. So there's 3 key factors to check to make sure you have viable, true-to-type seeds from your garden vegetables. And also, if you're interested in saving seeds, I'm also going to share with you the easiest 6 garden vegetables to collect seed from. All right, let's get started with factor number 1. All right, so number 1 is the type of seed. So only open-pollinated, non-hybrid, and heirloom seeds will produce seeds that are true to type. So hybrid and GMO seeds are not reliable for saving seeds from those crops. So you need to check your seed package and see which type of seed you got. Number 2 is cross-pollination. If you want a plant next year that matches the plant that you grew this year, you will need to be sure that the plant is not cross-pollinating with another plant of the same species. So for example, a red tomato cross-pollinated with a yellow tomato may produce seeds that have genetics for yellow or red or something in between. You're just not going to know quite yet. So this is how you can actually make a new variety, is by cross-pollinating. Another example is broccoli. It can be cross-pollinated with kale. So if you want true-to-type broccoli seeds, you will need to be sure that your broccoli plant does not cross with other plants in the same family. So in this example, broccoli could cross with kale, cauliflower, bok choy, or Brussels sprouts. So the key here is to isolate the plant, or to have different plants bloom at different times, because cross-pollination only happens when the plants are blooming. All right, number 3 is time. So some plants will not make seed the first year, so biennials and perennials need to overwinter in the garden, and then they will make seed the following year. So for example, if you want to grow cabbage to seed, you would plant the seed crop the first year, and you can also have eating cabbage the first year too. Then you will need to winter over the seed cabbage plants that you want to go to seed. The second season, you will have your seed cabbage in the garden, and you can also have eating cabbage in the garden too, because the eating cabbage will not flower, so it will not be a threat to the seed cabbage plants that you put in the garden that will be flowering. So before we get to the 6 of the easiest plants to save seed from, I'd like to share with you our open-pollinated seed kits. So if you are in need of some fresh open-pollinated garden seeds, check out our seed kits that you can get for a significant discount. Now, all the seeds in the kits are true to type, and you can save seeds off of every seed in the kit. So a link to our seed kits is in the description below. Okay, the 6 easiest plants to save seed from are tomatoes, lettuce, radishes, spinach, beans, and squash. Now, if you'd like instructions on how to save these seeds from these vegetables, you get these instructions for 30 different plants in our seed saving guide, which you get for free when you order one of our seed kits. If you'd like to learn more about seeds, check out our Seed Success playlist right here.